Hello guys, I welcome you to my channel Laser Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakobra here. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria. And in this video guys, I'm going to teach you guys how to buy high quality wig or human hair on pinduoduo, how you can buy it from China using pinduoduo without any stress. All you have to do is to make sure you watch the step by step I'm taking in this video and see how you get it done successfully. But before I get today to tutorial started, if you are very new to this channel, remember to subscribe to the channel, click on the notification bell so whenever I upload content about China importation and other country importation, you get notified you watch the video. So guys, without wasting much of our time, so let's see how you can buy high quality human hair from China using pinduoduo. So let's get started. So right here guys, so this is my pinduoduo app. Okay, so right here guys, this is my pinduoduo app. As you can see from the screen right here, this different woman hair, woman wig. You can scroll down and see more high quality woman hair or wig as far as pinduoduo is concerned. So but as far as I'm concerned, I'm interested in buying this particular one right here. As you can see, the product here price is 459 RMB, and this is the product information. So for me to buy this particular wig right here, I'm interested to buy this. So you have to come here and click on this place. So you have to click on here now to place the order. Okay, so I'm going to click on here. So having clicked on here, it takes you to the order description and specification, whereby you'll be able to see everything about the product. So you can as well scroll down and see more information about the product. You can see the brand name, the company, the supplier name, and the number of products they have sold in the past. So you can see this store here, they have sold over 7,000 pieces in this particular store right here. So you can scroll down and see more and more and more about the product. You can see the product picture, the quality of the hair. You can see everything. You can scroll down and see more as far as the product is concerned. So finally, you have to make payment with your Alipay. So in this regard, I'm going to show you how you can do that. So for you to pay to this particular quality here, all you have to do is to click on here, right here. Okay, so this is just the product description. So the name of the product is 2A Deep Wave 14-inch bob wig with 13.4 lace. Okay, so right here, this is the place you have to make payment. So for me to pay for this particular quality here, I have to click on here now to pay. Okay, all right, at this point here, after selecting my Alipay, you can see the Alipay has become active right here. I'm paying with my Alipay. So finally, I have to click on here now to use the Alipay. So right here, I have to click on pay now. I click on pay now. Then I have to enter my payment password to complete the payment process. So you can see that my Alipay is automatically connect. So they're going to deduct the fund from my Alipay account. So right here you can see that the payment has been done successfully. So payment done successfully, you can see it at the top right here. Payment done successfully. So finally you come down here and click on done. So once your payment is done successfully, it takes you right here. So for you to confirm that the order has been successfully paid for, you can easily go back to your pinduoduo profile and see the order on your profile. So by the time I refresh my profile, and so once your payment is done successfully, your order moves to this place right here. So I'm going to check on that now so you guys can see that with the one we just paid for. So if I click on that point, so you can see it right here. So this is the one we just paid for. You can see the name of the supplier right here. So immediately the payment is approved and confirmed successfully, it moved right here. So guys, this is just the step by step on how you can buy quality human hair or wig from China using pinduoduo without any stress. All you have to do is to watch step by step I'm taking in this video and see how you get it done. And I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up. If you have not yet subscribed, remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so whenever I upload content about China importation tutorial, you get notified and you watch the video. And lastly but not the least, if you would like me to coach you, or you want to be a procurement agent, or you want to learn how you can procure by yourself without using any agent, feel free to connect with me on WhatsApp. Also, if you want me to procure a link on 1688 Tahoba or any Chinese e-commerce platform, you can as well connect with me on WhatsApp via the same number on the screen. Thank you guys, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.